dude.
I know.
What are you thinking?
You're gonna have to wear sunglasses on a pal day.
That's not right, though.
Yeah, well, it's gonna happen.
I don't think that's chill.
Georgia. My girlfriend, always number one on my side. But lately all we ever do is argue and fight. She said she can't imagine her becoming a wife. Marrying the rapper's no longer what she wants in her life. I told her I would go and get my GED. Even got a 9 to 5, flipping burgers and fries. Trying to show her I'm dedicated and never wanna separate from her. Cause all I want is me and her to survive. We ain't even making love anymore, and I'm sure it's a fade, but she just lays there and reads in bed. And my feet is tired from work. Instead of trying to flirt, I would rather go and smoke some weed instead. Been a month now, ever since the day she left. Look at the bedroom dresser and saw the note. Said she loved me, but she needed a break. I guess I'll leave it to fate, but I'm praying that ain't all she wrote. I wonder how
do you go to sleep at night? Sleep at night. If I'm not the one sleeping with you, Bitch, didn't I treat you right? Yeah, that's how the story goes. Hey, wasn't I always there for you? There for you. Now you're just another song for me to write. Need to write a lullaby. So let me sharpen up my number two. So how do you go to sleep at night?